prior to meeting with Michael for the first time, I had a flurry of emotions going through me. There was fear, terror, uncertainty, not sure what to do, how to, first and foremost, protect my child, as well as protect myself. So there were numerous number of emotions, not sure how to handle them and how to really approach of what my next steps were with the current situation. After my initial meeting with Michael and my consultation, I immediately felt at ease with my situation. Michael was extremely compassionate. I felt that he understood exactly what my situation was, what my options were clearly explained to me by him. And felt there was a plan in place as far as outlining next steps, and he immediately knew how to handle my case and what the best approach would be for my case. Trying to understand family case law is difficult, especially for someone like me who is not familiar with all the regulations and statutes around family law. Michael did a wonderful job with making things understandable for me and how to interpret current decisions by the courts, what that meant for me, what that meant for the future for me. Michael was always able to make sure that I completely understood the situation, to put me at ease to understand what I needed to do next. On numerous occasions, I did go to court with Michael, which isn't an easy process to go through for anyone. It's not a place that I don't think many people want to be. Having Michael there next to me, he always made me feel comfortable, put me at ease, explained to me what was happening around the courtroom, different situations, what was happening with other cases that could also happen with mine, to help explain things to me. I always felt at ease, and I always had Michael by my side, which was very comforting for me. I'm not surprised that Michael is the youngest certified matrimonial attorney in New Jersey. Michael's personality and his drive and enthusiasm for what he does, I think is clear in the reputation that he's built in this field. My overall experience with Michael is that he's now part of my family. My interactions with him on the personal level, with knowing my case very well, the length of time I spent with him, his accessibility, I've always had confidence in knowing that I can always go back to Michael with any question I have at any time in the future and receive the same service and response at that time that I did in the midst of my case. I certainly have in the past, and I will continue in the future to recommend Michael to any friends or colleagues, family members, whoever may need a similar type of service. I was extremely pleased with the outcome of my case and my interactions with Michael. Again, his professionalism, his compassion, his empathy for the situation. There's no doubt in my mind that I would recommend him to anyone who needs similar services.